An apple a day keeps the doctor away. You've heard this phrase your whole life. But what does it really mean? Generally speaking, apples are a nutritious food that can make your body much healthier. But how healthy are we talking about? Here are the surprising things that happen to your body when you eat an apple every day. 1. Better digestive health. Most people want a stronger and healthier digestive system. And as you might imagine, the key to such a system is eating the right foods. Apples contain a special probiotic called pectin. And like other probiotics, pectin helps maintain gut health and helps you avoid unwanted conditions such as bloating, constipation, and stomach pain. 2. Lower cholesterol. When you aren't busy keeping doctors away, your own doctor probably likes to remind you to lower your cholesterol. Fortunately, apples can help you do just that. Apples are a strong source of daily fiber. Regularly eating apples not only helps with your digestion, but the soluble fibers inside apples also help to lower your cholesterol. Add apples to your snack rotation and you can eat yourself to a lower cholesterol level. 3. Weight loss. On one hand, everyone has their own separate health goals. But there is one thing almost all of us have in common: we could stand to lose some weight. And regularly eating apples is a natural way to lose weight. That's because every single apple is full of both fiber and water. Both fiber and water help you feel fuller for longer periods of time, causing you to eat less. In fact, some who want to lose weight will actually eat an apple before they eat lunch or dinner. You'll end up eating fewer calories for your big meal and still feel full and satisfied. 4. Lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is very scary. While this diabetes is treatable, the cost of things like insulin and special medication can be very expensive. And this diabetes can change the quality of your life in a profound way. The good news is that regularly eating apples actually lowers your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. According to a 2011 study, eating an apple a day will reduce your risk of getting type 2 diabetes by a staggering 28%. 5. Possibly prevent cancer. What if you could protect yourself from cancer by adjusting your diet? It turns out that eating an apple a day may give you this protection. Every apple is chock full of both phytochemicals and fiber. Both of these provide antioxidants directly to your body. As the name implies, antioxidants protect your body from oxidative damage that may eventually lead to cancer. 6. Stronger immune system. Thanks to COVID-19, most of us are more aware of our immune systems than ever before. Specifically, we are aware of the need to keep our immune systems nice and strong. As you might imagine, eating an apple a day can boost your immune system. And it's all thanks to what's inside the skin of the apple. The apple skin contains quercetin to help strengthen your immune system. And as an added bonus, quercetin can also reduce inflammation, keeping you feeling healthy and strong. 7. Less risk of heart disease. For both your short and long-term health, it's important to focus on your heart. And that means eating foods that reduce your risk of heart disease instead of increasing it. In addition to lowering your cholesterol, regularly eating apples lowers your risk of heart disease. And a 2010 study discovered that thanks to the flavonoids in apples, you can also reduce your risk of stroke by 20%. Whatever your current diet, regularly eating apples can improve your heart health. 8. Protect your brain. Obviously, it's important to maintain your heart health. Unfortunately, many people ignore the importance of maintaining good neurological health as time goes on. According to a 2019 study, apples contain quercetin, which can help protect your mind. Specifically, apples help to keep your neurons healthy and active, which becomes that much more important as you get older. Ultimately, apples are a great food to protect your heart, mind, and the rest of your body.